in word problems, we read, then do Cap U2. Second, we rephrase, then plan using CUP. Number 3, you solve. Number 4, check using CUT. Now, let's read. A factory made 4,250 cookies. It made 715 more butter cookies than almond cookies. It made 5 times as many chocolate cookies as almond cookies. How many chocolate cookies did the factory make? Now, let's look. A factory made 4,250 cookies altogether. It made 715 more butter cookies. So the butter cookies is more than the almond cookies. It made 5 times as many chocolate cookies as almond cookies. Now, let's do Cap U2. We are done with reading. So let's do Cap U2 now. Circle number, arrow to noun. 4,250 cookies. Circle number, box comparison word, more than. 715 more butter cookies than almond cookies. Circle 5 and box up comparison word, times. 5 times as many chocolate cookies as almond cookies. So 5 times refers to the chocolate cookies. Now, how many chocolate cookies did the factory make? Now we are done with Cap U2. Now let's rephrase. The factory made 4,250 cookies altogether. Total, there are 4,250 cookies. The butter cookies is more than the almond cookies. Difference. 715 refers to the difference between the butter cookie and the almond cookie. So the difference between the butter cookie and almond cookie is 715. So difference means minus. Butter minus almond, difference is 715. It made 5 times as many chocolate cookies as almond cookies. So 5 times means 5 units. 5 units will refers to chocolate cookies. 1 unit will refer to the almond cookies. Now we are done with rephrase. Tick the rephrase box. Now let's plan using CUP, comparison, unitary, or part whole model. Now we can see that we have, in our Cap U2, we have boxes. So boxes will represent comparison model. It means that there will be one short, one long model. We got butter cookie, almond cookie, and chocolate cookie. We know that the factory made 715 more butter cookies. So the butter cookies has more. This is butter cookies, so we are going to draw more butter cookies. And butter cookies is more than which cookie? More than the almond cookie. Shorter model. And what's the difference? The difference is 715. So let's find out where's the difference. The difference of the butter and almond cookie is 750. This is the difference between the butter cookie and almond cookie. The chocolate cookies has 5 units. So we are going to draw 5 units for chocolate cookies and 1 unit for almond cookies. This is 1 unit. This almond has 1 unit. See? Almond has 1 unit. While the chocolate cookie has 5 units. So we are going to draw 5 units. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units for chocolate cookies. And 1 unit for almond cookies. Have we put in 715? Yes. Did we put in 5 units for the chocolate cookies? Yes, there are 5 units here. 3, 4, 5 units for chocolate cookies. Have we put in 1 unit for almond cookies? Yes. So now, we have not put in 4,250. So, we know that the total is 4,250. So now we have input all the data into our model. That means that let's put a tick in plan. Now we are going to solve. There are 1 unit here, and this 1 unit is the same as this unit. And it is the same as this unit, and it is the same as this. It is also the same as this, and also the same as this, and it is also the same as this one. So let's count the total number of units. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units in total. So we got 7 blue units. So total there are 7 units. So to find 7 units, to find the blue color boxes, we need to subtract. We take the total 4,250. We minus 715. We take away 715. Then we can find the 7 units and 15. So let's find that by doing workings. 4,250 minus 715. Workings. 5 tens is 4 tens and 10 ones. 10 ones minus 5 ones is 5 ones. 4 tens minus 1 tens is 3 tens. 4,000 is 3,000 and 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds and 2 hundreds is 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds minus 7 hundreds is 5 hundreds. 3,000 minus 0 is 3,000. Seven units is 3,535. Now, the question is asking how many chocolate cookies did the factory make? 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 units, and 5 units. So there are 5 units of chocolate cookies. So we need to find what is 5 units. Before we can find what is 5 units, we need to find if 7 units is 3,535, 1 unit will be 3,535 divided by 7 equal units. So we have found that the quotient is 505. So it means that each unit here is 505. So you can see the chocolate cookies has 5 groups of 505. So that is 5 units that we want to find. The chocolate cookies is 505 times 5. Workings 505 times 5. Find out the answer and write down your answer over here. Once you found the answer, we are done with solve. So tick the solve box. Then you need to check your work by using card method. Card method would mean CUT. C represents calculation error. Check whether there are calculation error. Then U, check if you have written the units correctly and check whether you have transferred your answer to the answer line.